how things have changed since the last time I grabbed the camera. Last time I grabbed the camera, we were doing 75 hard. I felt as healthy as possible, and in a matter of seconds, I tore my MCL on my left leg, which was very unfortunate. It's part of basketball. It happened while playing basketball. It's part of the sport. And unfortunately, it's been a big part of my basketball, I don't want to even say career, basketball life in general. This is my second knee injury. Unfortunately, this was my good knee, the knee that I was dunking and everything. But this is not going to be a negative video. I'm going to be back. That's not a problem with me. I always go back, and you know, it's just a matter of giving it time, healing, doing therapy and all of that. But anyways, the reason for this video, and probably the reason you clicked on this video, is because yeah, I am moving from an amazing place that we build amazing cars just like this one. In today's video, what we are doing is a little bit sad, but also happy as well, because it is an amazing thing that's going on and everything that's happening. We have to basically empty out this whole garage, pack it up, and take it to a new home, which hopefully I think you guys are gonna see at the end of this video. I'll show you guys a new garage, new place and everything. But yeah, a lot has gone on. I did not finish 75 hard. I got to day 46. Hopefully I could give you guys an update later on. We can maybe do 75 hard together and all of that. But let's start the fun part. Actually, this is really fun for me, like unpacking everything, seeing what I have, seeing what I don't have, kind of throwing crap away, maybe posting some stuff for sale for you guys. Let's go ahead, get to cleaning, get to packing. I'll try to make this as cinematic and quick with time lapse as possible so you guys don't get bored, and we could pack up, put everything on a U-Haul and go to the other place. And yes, the Evo 10 is outside, don't worry about it, the Evo 10 is still here. Let's get to work. Taking a quick break from the video really quick because I have to show you guys. I wasn't gonna show anything, just surprise you and all of that, but we have a new drop coming for Evolve Garage, which if you guys missed my first ever launch, I did launch some shirts that I really loved and I was really passionate about because it showed how you emerge and evolve. And this particular drop is gonna be called, believe it or not, Always Evolve. And this is the design. It is so good. The reason behind Always Evolve is because of course Mitsubishi did it themselves. They started with the Evo 1 through the Evo 3, then Evo 4 through the Evo 6, Evo 7 through the Evo 9, which we can obviously see right here in the garage. And then what we have outside in the garage is the Evo 10 chassis. I really love this drop. It's gonna come out soon. I'm gonna say maybe a week or 2 weeks so you guys could pre-order all of these items. I'm just getting everything together in regards to getting hoodies, shirts, what colors and all of that. If there's anything in particular that you guys would like to see, let me know down in the comments. But I just wanted to announce it is coming soon and I'm very excited. I think we're gonna do things a little bit different this coming drop. But again, I know that the website has been closed and all of that, and a lot of you guys have been asking me what's up with the website, how can you order and all of that. New drop coming probably in a week or 2 weeks. I can't wait for you guys to have access to the website and all of that. But anyways, let's go ahead and continue with the video. Alrighty. So we've made a ton of progress, obviously, as you guys can see. This is a little bit of a bittersweet moment to see all of this empty. The way I'm structuring all of this is just to try to organize and go through everything that I actually want to take. So when you guys are doing one of these moves, don't just pack everything up and take it to the new place. Actually go through the stuff and see what you actually need and what you don't need. And this is where it's the hardest part, because a lot of us kind of just hoard a lot of stuff and that, you know, we actually don't need. I've actually filled up 3 trash bags that are, I think, 55 gallons already. And mind you, I'm already a pretty organized, clean person. So I've already emptied this container out, and now we have to remove my freaking turbo for this car that I've bought like years ago. Precision turbo, everything brand new with the downpipe, the radiator. I have a lot of engine parts for this car already. So I'll take this. This is obviously coming to the new garage so we can freaking build this thing. And now we have to take this shelf off the wall. I had everything on the wall with these little mounts that you guys could hopefully see there. This is probably gonna be the hardest part with my MCL, with my bad knee. I'm probably gonna need help from my sister, which I think she helped me install it, funny enough. I'm gonna remove this. I'll take this table. I'm not sure if I'm gonna keep these garage shelves from Gladiator, but for now, obviously, I'm gonna take it to the new garage. I'll put everything here, and the idea is once I have the U-Haul, I'll reverse it into here, and then we just have to load everything in. So yeah, just a couple of more steps. This right here, bike, and then obviously this section right here, the pressure washer and all of that stuff. Unfortunately, this sticker wall that we've been building for so long has to stay. So yeah, and then we need to get the AC off, because that's definitely coming with me. We still have a couple of more things to do, maybe lighting, I'm not sure, but let's continue working. Guys, we have officially made it to our new HQ. As you guys can see, this is a total mess. I didn't record the offloading of the U-Haul because I'm pretty sure, as a lot of you guys have experienced, moving is just very stressful and a lot of work. So yeah, forgot to set up the camera and just unloaded everything. It's been raining non-stop over here. So this is the new HQ. I am officially in Central Florida, Lady Lake, Florida to be specific. And I have a reason, obviously, of why I moved. I'll cover that in another video. But in today's video, we've made it to the new home HQ. I'll show you guys more and maybe show you guys inside later on and all of that. But our job today is gonna be to kind of organize everything that I can here, and that way I have a garage where I can freaking get the tools. Like, as you guys can see, I've been putting stuff inside the house, TVs and all of that, and everything's just a mess. I can't get my tools, I can't get anything. I'm like opening boxes as I go to try to get a specific tool, and I hate it. This is why the garage is such an important part of any house. It's just, if you keep it organized, it's just a better way. I don't know, at least to me, it's a better way of living. Just to cover a little bit, this garage is basically the same. Hopefully you guys can see it. It's a 20 by 20, probably a little bit less sideways, because in the other house it was a little bit wider, but deeper. I have 1 foot more, and I have this little kind of, that has given me like, maybe it gives me like 1.5 feet. We've officially moved. I'm part of the Central Florida part, which I know that a lot of my friends and a lot of you guys, evil people and all of that, were all in Orlando. So now I'm like, I think 40 minutes or 45 minutes away from Orlando, which is good, because now when there's car events and car meets, I'll be able to link up with a lot of you guys, meet a lot of you guys that are from Orlando, and we'll go from there. Like I've said, let's get to cleaning, let's get to organizing. I'm super tired, obviously, but I'm enjoying the process. One big project that I just looked at right here is definitely getting this water heater out of here, because I want to be able to set like all the, you know, like a cabinet or whatever, like all the tools organized against the wall, and that is obviously in the way. I think it's like an inline water heater that could go against the wall, whatever you guys recommend. If any of you guys work in construction or homes or whatever, I started Googling a little bit about it. It's a inline water heater that goes against the wall. It's a lot smaller, but I don't know if performance wise for the house it would affect anything. But yeah, I'm here. New garage, way taller ceiling, so we'll be able to do stuff up now. I can't wait. I'm super excited. So this is why I haven't built the Red Evo 8 and I've taken so long with a lot of the videos, is because I'm moving and I've been tearing apart the other garage, tearing apart the, you know, my room inside and all of that. But now we're here. Let's get to cleaning, boys. Man, that was the longest 4 to 5 hours. I still have a little bit of a mess on this side. I have to go over a couple of stuff over here, install a TV, just random stuff that I'll figure out. I have the turbo kit in this box, so I have to figure out. I still haven't done the attic like I did over there in Miami, where I could use that as storage. But oh my God, lighting is horrible in here. I can't wait to do lighting in here. But take a look at this. This is not bad. Honestly, not bad to just start and organize a little bit. It's not bad. I know it's not the best, but at least we have working space. I could clean the car, do whatever I want. If I have to work on the car, I could kind of do stuff. I still need to clear a little bit of that side. I have the jacks. Like I said, a little bit of a mess here, but this looks 20 times better. I was dying coming into this garage and just seeing pure boxes. But yeah, officially moved. I'm super excited. I know maybe I'm not showing it on camera just because I'm super tired. It's been the longest like week and a half possible, just moving from Miami, 4 to 5 hour drive up north. And I haven't even covered here in video like furniture, beds, sofa, stools, kitchen stuff, just a lot of stuff that I'm not sure. I know I've asked you guys to leave a couple of comments already, but if you guys are interested on the kitchen stuff, I know for sure I'll do the gaming room. Like I'm gonna do an office / gaming room. Like I'm gonna love that video because I'm a total nerd if you guys didn't know. But officially moved. There's so much that I'm doing and it's hard to grab the camera. I need to be more disciplined. It's not hard, it's discipline. And it's just, sometimes I just want to get things done, which I'm pretty sure you guys understand. I want to get everything done as quickly as possible, and recording slows a good amount done. And I don't just want to do like time lapse and you guys not, you know, I want to do actual videos that you guys will enjoy, and quality. Like I've always said, quality over anything. If you guys have any questions, leave them down in the comments. I haven't covered a lot. I haven't showed the house or anything like that. I just wanted to store. I think this is all gonna be in one video where I removed everything from Miami and then came over here to Orlando. To all of my friends in Orlando, I'm super excited to be here with this car after so much time. I don't think I ever drove, which is kind of weird. The Red Evo over here, I did drive the GG Evo 8 to Orlando, but I know that, you know, there's a lot of you guys that I'm always chatting with you guys on Instagram and all of that. It's gonna be fun. I'm here for a huge thing too, which is even crazier. I can't wait to get my hands on this big project that I'm gonna handle. I'm excited for that. Just a lot of changes in life overall, which I'm excited for. I kind of look forward to these challenges and this stuff. So I'm gonna see you guys on the next one. Like always, keep grinding and stay safe. Peace out. On to the next video. Take care, guys.